How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory Raptor TIR visor bar. So when you get your Raptor out of the box, you'll have your Raptor going to your cable harness here. Now on your cable harness, you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional grand control, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables, and then you'll also have your aux line here where you can hook up an additional 10 amps of lighting all off of your grand control. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So I brought a red-blue unit here for example, and I'm using my optional grand control, which I plugged in via connector, and then I went ahead and hooked up my main power cables here. So on your grand control, you have your power button, which will activate your switch box. Now since this is a dual memory unit, you will have your mode 1 and mode 2 switches here. So in mode 1, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and in mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed. So I have two flash pattern memories, and I can easily swap between the two using my mode 1 and mode 2 switches here. And then here you have your pattern button, which you can use to easily cycle through your pre-programmed flash patterns on your light bar. And that works whether you're in mode 2 or in mode 1. And then here you have your TD button, which will activate your two takedown lights in steady burn, and that will override the warning functionality of your light bar, and your takedowns do operate independently as well. And then here you have your aux button and then your night mode. Now let's go over night mode. When it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional grand control. And there's two ways to activate your night mode. You can either activate it via button on your control box, which will activate your red backlight LEDs, or you'll see a white cable here coming off of your cable harness. So let me go ahead and turn off my button here. Now when your white cable has power, that will activate your red backlight LEDs for the night mode as well. And that will make your night mode button on your control box inactive. So you'll want to either use your white cable to activate the night mode, or if you're not using your white cable, you'll want to use the night mode button on your control box. And then when you activate your buttons, you'll see that those will light up blue while you have your red backlight LEDs there. So you'll see you have the perfect option whether you would like to hardwire your night mode, or you can activate your night mode via button there. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So for example here, I brought an amber unit on the bottom, and then in the middle, I brought a red-blue half-half color setup, and then up top, I brought a green-clear alternating color setup. And then you'll notice that I do have different flash patterns programmed on each of my light bars here, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you will have your dual memory with your mode 1 and mode 2. When it comes to mounting your Raptor, you'll have your rear slide track here, and then you'll have the holes on the bottom of your Raptor. And then you'll get your included universal brackets with your short forks, your long forks, and your adjustable base bracket, so you can come up with the best combination for your vehicle. And then we also have optional vehicle specific brackets as well. And then finally, we have our optional visor extender here, which can help extend your Raptor to your windshield. So that covers our dual memory Raptor TIR visor bar. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.